So this is Tube Girl, and she dances to music really confidently. She loves a good breeze, and all of this, she does it on the tube in the ever-evolving landscape of social media. TikTok has become a breeding ground for creativity and self-expression, and at this time on TikTok is Sabrina Bassoon, where she captured the attention of millions with her bold and empowering videos filmed on the London Tube. Through her infectious confidence and carefree attitude, Sabrina not only sparked a viral trend, but also she delivered a very powerful message. Be confident and embrace yourself, and disregard the judgment of other people, literally. Sabrina Bassoon's rise to fame can be attributed to a unique style of content, filming selfie video dances on the bustling London Tube. Her videos extruded confidence and fearlessness, inspiring viewers to embrace their authentic selves. So, TikTok being TikTok, everyone wanted to scream Tube Girl energy. And especially on a platform driven by trends, it sent her video viral. That sent millions across the world to try this performance on their public transport, on their way to work, on their way to uni, every possible chance. So how do you film a Tube Girl video? First, you use your back-facing camera. Use the wide-angle lens at 0.5x. I know it can be really scary to film without seeing ourselves, but hey, make sure you get the movement on the camera on the beat of the music. But don't forget, be on public transport. So going back to that powerful message that Sabrina was trying to send, where confidence trumps judgment, doing the Tube Girl challenge is not easy on the mind at all, especially for those who are incredibly introverts. By fearlessly dancing in public spaces, she encouraged viewers to overcome societal pressures and embrace their passions without fear of judgmental comments. Sabrina's positive attitude resonated with countless individuals, reminding them that the opinions of strangers are fleeting and insignificant in the grand scheme of life. Her videos inspired the confidence of so many TikTok users, fostering a community that celebrated individuality and self-expression. I know, coming from a content creator myself, I know that filming yourself in front of the camera can be incredibly daunting. But then in public, it can be an incredibly different challenge. It's quite a big jump. If you want to build confidence, then you have to do the action first. And when you do it more often, the feeling of familiarity, it will grow that confidence. And in order to do that, it just takes time and consistency. You'll get there, I promise you. Even though there is a huge wave of positivity, Sabrina's trend did face a lot of criticism. Some viewed her public filming as intrusive, raising concerns about privacy and consent of those unintentionally featured in the background. And there will always be the debate over ethical implications of public filming on TikTok, and there is a fine line between self-expression and respecting the privacy of others.
Wait, look like I do. Is he doing the Tube Girl thing? That's not Tube Girl, that's Tunnel This.
While Sabrina really wants to send the message of positivity, the unintended consequences of her videos sparked important discussions about online ethics and consent. Another side of the trend talking about Tube Girl is that the trend can be considered as cringe, especially when you look at the behind the scenes footage of how the trend is performed and what you look like as you dance with no music outside of the earphones. But it can also bring a message for those who don't feel pretty enough, or only pretty people can get away with it.
I love how in this digital facade era, it's cringe and unaware until a hot person does it. Then it's confident and inspiring.
Or the many more comments saying, oh, I wish I could be confident enough to do this trend. Or my introvert self or social anxiety can never.
Dear diary, today I saw the fittest lad at the chippy and I just couldn't stop staring at him.
It brings the question whether this tube trend is narrowing what it means to be confident, and that there is only one type of confidence, which is being this loud, bubbly, extroverted energy. But remember, confidence comes in many different forms. So confidence is the feeling or belief that one can have faith in or rely on someone or something. So confidence can be driving a car, making that spaghetti dish for dinner, learning how to edit a video, talking to your crush, wearing that bright colored top in public. Because confidence is a skill, and it will only grow if you pair it with consistency. The Tube Girl becomes so successful, and the bigger that the Tube Girl grew, the bigger that the collaborations Sabrina got. And I have to say that these collaborations are pretty amazing. Her confidence and creativity caught the attention of the fashion industry, leading to collaborations with renowned brands like Hugo Boss and MAC Cosmetics. Sabrina not only became the brand ambassador, but also walked the MAC Cosmetics catwalk. So in just a couple of weeks, she became a fashion icon. icon. And on top of that, she collaborated with big music influencers such as Bella Poarch with her song Crush. And Troye Sivan with Got Me Started, further expanding her reach and impact. So, what can we learn from the Tube Girl? Tube Girl screams confidence, self-expression and resilience against societal judgments. And I have to give it to her for encouraging those who experience judgmental comments all around them and just not giving two thoughts about it, especially when we live in a world where social media often perpetuates unrealistic standards. Sabrina has offered a method to break your fears of being unapologetically authentic and confident, regardless of the judgments that we face. Because in the end of the day, confidence comes with action first and repetition until the confidence grows, because the feeling of confidence always comes after the action. So what do you think about the Tube Girl trend? Do let me know in the comments down below. So if you enjoyed today's video, then check out my next video on how to glow up confidently and possibly help you start that Tube Girl challenge if you decide to do so. So click over here and I will see you there. Bye!